Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we're diving into some stunning fireplace remodel ideas. We'll explore designs that not only elevate your space, but also add functionality and charm. Let's jump right in. In this fireplace remodel, I love the clean, minimalist look created by the all-white brick. The floating shelf above the fireplace adds a modern touch while providing a spot for decorative items like books, plants, and art. The use of black in the fireplace opening contrasts nicely with the white, giving it a bold and defined look. The cozy sheepskin rug and casual placement of shoes add a touch of warmth and lived-in feel to the space. Functionally, this setup is perfect for a modern, sleek aesthetic. However, I would add a bit more color to break up the monochrome scheme, perhaps with a colorful piece of art or a vibrant plant. This would give the room a bit more personality and vibrancy. I love how this fireplace remodel combines rustic charm with a touch of modernity. The dark wooden mantel provides a beautiful contrast against the white brick, creating a focal point in the room. The decor on the mantel, including the clock, books, and framed artwork, adds a personal and inviting touch. The black fireplace screen is both stylish and practical, ensuring safety while adding a bold element to the design. Functionally, this space is well utilized, with a cozy seating area and playful elements like the small guitar and decorative pillow. To improve it, I would add a few more pops of color, perhaps with a vibrant throw blanket or additional artwork, to create more visual interest and warmth. This fireplace remodel exudes modern sophistication with its sleek black shiplap surround. I love the way the large abstract art piece above the fireplace draws the eye and adds an artistic flair. The built-in shelves on the side provide both functionality and an opportunity to display curated decor items, adding to the room's overall elegance. The contrast between the dark fireplace and the lighter furnishings creates a balanced and inviting space. The greenery from the potted plant adds a refreshing touch, bringing in a bit of nature. To enhance this design, I would consider incorporating a few more colorful accents, such as vibrant throw pillows or a patterned rug, to add depth and warmth to the room. This fireplace remodel combines modern and rustic elements beautifully. I love the sleek black tiles that add a touch of sophistication and contrast well with the lighter wooden mantel. The abstract art piece above the fireplace brings a contemporary vibe, while the simple vase with greenery adds a natural element. The neutral color palette of the furnishings complements the fireplace, creating a cohesive and serene atmosphere. The armchair and pillows add a cozy touch, making the space inviting. To enhance this design, I would add a pop of color with a vibrant throw or some colorful decorative items on the coffee table. This would bring a bit more life and personality to the room while maintaining its elegant aesthetic. This fireplace remodel strikes a perfect balance between modern and cozy. I love the black brick surround paired with the light wooden mantel, creating a striking contrast. The shiplap extending to the ceiling adds height and elegance, while the mounted TV keeps the space functional. The arrangement of furniture is inviting, with mid-century modern chairs and a comfortable sofa that make the room feel both stylish and welcoming. The use of natural wood tones and neutral colors enhances the warmth of the space. The built-in shelves and cabinets provide excellent storage and display options. To improve this setup, I would add some colorful throw pillows or a vibrant rug to introduce a bit more personality and liveliness to the room. I adore this fireplace remodel for its unique blend of elegance and rustic charm. The dark blue mantel is a bold choice that stands out beautifully against the light walls. The white vases with green foliage and brass candlesticks add sophistication and a pop of brightness. Natural elements like the branch wall decor and potted fern bring the outdoors inside, enhancing the cozy feel. The comfortable seating area with a striped throw and decorative pillow completes the look perfectly. To improve this setup, I would add a few more colorful accents, perhaps with additional throw pillows or a vibrant area rug to add warmth and personality. This fireplace remodel captures my attention with its bold black shiplap and contrasting natural wood mantel. The mirror above the mantel not only enhances the room's light, but also adds a touch of elegance. I appreciate the minimalist decor with unique vases, a framed art piece, and candlesticks, which keep the focus on the fireplace itself. The greenery from the potted plant on the side adds a refreshing touch, balancing the dark tones and bringing life to the space. The ladder with the decorative blanket introduces texture and warmth. To improve this setup, I would add a few more pops of color, perhaps through additional decorative items on the mantel or a colorful throw pillow, to break up the monochromatic palette and add vibrancy. I love how this fireplace remodel combines modern and rustic elements. The shiplap paneling gives a clean, contemporary look, while the wooden mantel adds warmth and texture. The electric fireplace is a fantastic choice for its sleek appearance and convenience. The mounted TV above the mantel maximizes space and creates a cozy focal point. The light color palette, complemented by the patterned rug and checkered ottomans, makes the space feel open and inviting. The small decor elements, like the wicker basket and log holder, add subtle charm without overwhelming the design. To enhance this setup, I would introduce a pop of color through throw pillows or a blanket to add vibrancy and contrast, creating a more dynamic and engaging space. I love the serene and sophisticated feel of this fireplace remodel. The white brick surround creates a bright, clean look, while the natural wood mantel adds warmth and texture. The large mirror above the mantel reflects light and makes the space feel larger and more open. The minimalist decor, including the white vase with greenery and the black candlesticks, keeps the focus on the fireplace. The combination of the wicker baskets and lanterns adds a rustic touch, enhancing the cozy atmosphere. The wooden beams on the ceiling tie the entire room together beautifully. To enhance this setup, I would add a pop of color with a decorative pillow or throw blanket on the chair to introduce a bit more vibrancy and contrast to the neutral palette. I love the bright and airy feel of this fireplace remodel. The white shiplap walls and vaulted ceiling create an expansive atmosphere. The natural wood mantel adds warmth and complements the light tones beautifully. The decor on the mantel, including the large clock and vases, adds character and farmhouse charm. The vibrant blue rug anchors the space and introduces a bold pop of color that contrasts nicely with the neutral furnishings. The mix of textures, from the fluffy throw on the chair to the smooth surfaces of the coffee table, adds depth and interest. To enhance this setup, I would add a few more accent pillows in different patterns and colors to create a more dynamic and layered look. This fireplace remodel exudes cozy charm and functionality. The wood-burning stove adds a rustic touch, while the light wooden mantel complements it beautifully. I love the combination of the white paneled walls and neutral furnishings, creating a bright and inviting space. The placement of the TV above the mantel is practical and makes it a focal point. The decor choices, such as the vase with flowers and framed photos, add a personal touch. The mirror on the sideboard reflects light, enhancing the room's openness. The woven rug introduces texture and warmth, tying the room together. To improve this setup, I would add a few colorful throw pillows to the seating area to introduce more vibrancy and make the space feel even more inviting. This fireplace remodel radiates warmth and charm. I love the combination of the rustic wooden mantel with the white brick, creating a perfect blend of modern and farmhouse styles. The built-in cabinets and shelving provide excellent storage and display options, adding functionality. The tall windows flood the room with natural light, making it feel bright and airy. The decor choices, such as the plants, woven basket, and rocking horse, add a cozy and lived-in feel. The ladder with a blanket adds texture and warmth, complementing the overall aesthetic. To enhance this setup, I would add a few colorful throw pillows to the couch and perhaps a vibrant piece of artwork above the mantel to introduce more visual interest and contrast. I love the clean and elegant look of this fireplace remodel. The white herringbone tile surround adds a touch of sophistication and texture, while the crisp white mantel and trim create a timeless and fresh aesthetic. The round mirror above the mantel enhances the room's light and gives a classic touch to the decor. The tall candlesticks on either side of the mirror add symmetry and elegance without overwhelming the design. The minimalistic approach keeps the focus on the beautiful fireplace itself. To improve this setup, I would add a bit of color with some decorative items like a small vase of flowers or a colorful piece of art to introduce some vibrancy and contrast against the white background. I love the eclectic mix of styles in this fireplace remodel. The concrete surround gives a modern, industrial feel, while the wooden mantel adds warmth and a touch of rustic charm. The mounted TV above the fireplace is a practical choice, creating a seamless focal point in the room. The decor choices, like the woven wall hangings and the mix of textures on the bench, add personality and depth. The ladder with a blanket draped over it introduces a cozy, inviting element, and the mix of modern and vintage items on the bench adds character. To enhance this setup, I would add a pop of color with some bright throw pillows or a vibrant rug to bring more life and contrast to the space. This fireplace remodel is absolutely charming with its playful and cozy elements. I love the sage green color of the fireplace and the built-in seating on either side. It adds a fresh, modern touch while still feeling warm and inviting. The intricate detailing on the fireplace surround is beautiful, adding a touch of elegance. The framed art above the mantel adds personality and interest, making the space feel personalized. The mix of throw pillows and blankets on the seating areas makes it cozy and comfortable, perfect for lounging. The stained glass window adds a unique and colorful touch. To enhance this setup, I would add a colorful area rug to tie the seating areas together and introduce more warmth and texture to the floor. Thanks for joining me on this journey through inspiring fireplace remodels. I hope you found plenty of ideas to transform your own space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!